What's the meaning of Brahmin? Brahmin. Brahmin.
Brahmin. Brahmin. The term Brahmin refers to a member of the highest social class in the traditional caste system of India, who were typically priests and scholars. The Brahmins were respected for their knowledge of scriptures, and were considered to be the custodians of Hindu society's religious and cultural traditions. Over time, the term Brahmin has also come to refer more broadly to educated members of society, regardless of their social standing or occupation. However, this term has also been criticized for its association with social privilege and exclusion, as well as its contribution to discrimination and disadvantage for lower caste individuals.